Hi, I'm Lisa Cleveland from the Wando Mount Pleasant Library. If you're missing snow like I am, I'm going to show you how to make fake snow by using 2 household ingredients. The 2 ingredients you're going to need is a cup of baking soda and a cup of shaving cream. So we're going to add the cup of baking soda in a large bowl, and then you're going to also then mix in your shaving cream. You're going to then mix it in your bowl and mix the 2 ingredients together. You may need a couple of drops of water just to add more moisture to the mixture to give you the consistency of snow. I'm going to add a few drops of water. And I get my fake snow mixture. This is mixture that's moldable. So what would you like to do is you can make snowballs out of it. And you can also make a snowman. So have fun making creations with your fake snow and enjoy.